How to search on 4chan. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can search on 4chan. First, remember that 4chan itself doesn't offer a built-in global search. You'll need to use board-specific catalogs or external search tools. Now, to browse a single board, you want to go to boards.4chan.org and then click on the board name. Now, on the top, you will find the catalog option. Click that to view all threads currently active. You can also use your browser's find feature to search thread titles and OP comments for keywords. Next thing you want to do is use Google Site Search. For that, head over to Google's search bar, type something like site ports.4chan.org space your keyword and press enter. This scans every public 4chan board page for your phrase. Now you will be able to view all the threads and catalogs from there. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.